Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury Channel. Muscle Car Royalty. American Performance History. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic Mustangs to ever hit the pavement, the 1968 Shelby GT350 convertible. A rare beast, built during the golden age of horsepower. Let's take a closer look at what makes this classic so unforgettable. Exterior. This isn't just another Mustang. This is a Carroll Shelby tuned GT350, and in convertible form, it's one of the rarest of its kind. In 1968, only 404 GT350 convertibles were made, making this a collector's dream. But rarity is just the beginning. Let's start with the exterior. The 1968 GT350 features a bold and aggressive design that screams performance. At the front, you'll notice the unique fiberglass hood with twin air scoops, a Shelby signature. The grille is blacked out with fog lights mounted inboard, giving the car that mean, unmistakable Shelby face. Side scoops, racing stripes, and that sleek fastback-inspired convertible profile, it's got all the right muscle car cues. The GT350, side stripes and Cobra badging let you know this isn't your average pony car. Out back, the sequential tail lights, borrowed from the '67 Mercury Cougar, add a custom touch, and the dual exhaust hints at the power under the hood. Sitting on 15-inch 10-spoke aluminum wheels, this car has both stance and presence. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with late 60s American style, but Shelby gave it a few upgrades. The interior comes standard with a deluxe Mustang trim, but it's topped off with special touches like the roll bar, inertia reel seat belts, and the Shelby-specific 140-mile-per-hour speedometer. The wood-rimmed steering wheel, the Cobra logo on the horn button, and the full instrumentation cluster remind you this is a driver's car. The bucket seats are low, supportive, and designed for spirited driving. And of course, you get a floor-mounted shifter, paired with a 4-speed manual or optional 3-speed automatic, for that full retro muscle car experience. Performance. Under the hood of the '68 GT350 is a 302 cubic inch V8, a high-performance version of Ford's small block engine. It's rated at 250 horsepower, though many believe Shelby's tuning gave it a bit more than the factory claimed. This engine features an aluminum intake manifold, Holley 4-barrel carburetor, and performance exhaust. It's not about brute force, that was the GT500's job. The GT350 is about balance, a lighter V8, better handling, and sharper road feel. Paired with a tuned suspension and front disc brakes, the GT350 convertible delivers a surprisingly agile ride for a car of its era. It's quick, loud, raw, exactly what you want from a '60s muscle car. The 1968 Shelby GT350 convertible is more than a car, it's a symbol of American performance and Shelby's genius. It bridged the gap between sports car and muscle car, wrapped in a body that still turns heads nearly 60 years later. With its sharp styling, rare convertible body, and Shelby-tuned heart, the GT350 remains one of the most desirable Mustangs ever made. If you ever get the chance to drive one, take it. Because cars like this, they just don't come around anymore. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1968 Shelby GT350 convertible, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more classic car content. Got a favorite Shelby? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep the legends alive.